Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Now, our last topic of plant parts are flower. Flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Different plants have different types of flowers. Flowers are of many sizes, shapes and colors. They have different kind of fragrances. Some common flowers are hibiscus, rose, jasmine, sunflower, marigold, and lily. Flowers contain reproductive organs of plant. Structure of a flower. A flower has stalk called pedicel. The outermost whole of green leaf-like structure is called sepals. Next to sepals are petals. In the center of the flower rises a flask-shaped structure called a pistil. It is based called the ovary. The short tube-like upper part is the style and above it is stigma. What are flowers? A flower is the reproductive structure found in plants. The prominent parts of the open flower are the petals. The small leaf-like structure are called the sepals. Now, petals. These are usually brightly colored due to the presence of colored pigments. The bright colored petals serve to attract insects. These animals help in pollination. Then, petals. Second one is sepals. The green leaf-like parts in the outermost circle of a flower are called sepals. They protect the flowering during the bud stage. You are shown three branches of a rose in figure 7.19, A, B and C. Which one will help you best to recognize the plant? A leafless branch, B, a branch with leaves, C, a branch with leaves and flowers. Which color did you use for the flower in figure 7.19C? Are all flowers colorful? Have you ever seen flowers on grass, wheat, maize, mango or guava? Are those brightly colored? Let us study a few flowers. Activity 10. We would require one bud and two fresh flowers each of any of the following: datura, china rose, mustard, brinjal, lady's finger, gulmohar, also a blade, a glass slide or a sheet of paper, a magnifying glass and water. Observe figure 7.20, bud and flower. Look at the prominent parts of the open flower. These are the petals. Different flowers have petals of different colors. Where do you think the petals are in a closed bud? Which is the most prominent part in a bud? Did you see that this part is made of small leaf-like structure? They are called as sepals. Take a flower and observe its petals and sepals. Now answer the following questions. How many sepals does it have? Are they joined together? What are the colors of the petals and the sepals? How many petals does the flower have? Are they joined to one another or they are separate? Do the flowers with joined sepals have petals that are separate or they also joined together? Fill the table based on the observations of the whole class. Table 7.3 and observations to this table from the field trip to a locality where there are plants with flowers. Fill the last two columns later. To see the inner parts of the flower carefully, you have to cut it open. If its petals are joined, for example in datura and other bell-shaped flowers, The petals have to be cut lengthwise and spread out so that the inner parts can be seen clearly. 7.21 figure has been shown a bell-shaped flower. Remove the sepals and petals to see the other parts of the flower with the illustration and identify the stamens and pistil in your flower. Figure 7.23 Parts of a stamen. It shows different kinds of stamens present in different flowers. Can you recognize the two parts of the stamens in your flower? How many stamens are there in your flower? Draw one stamen and label its part. The innermost part of flower is called the pistil. If you cannot see it completely, remove the remaining stamens and identify the parts of the pistil with the help of figure. Draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of the pistil of your flower. The pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Each pistil consists of a stigma, style, and an ovary. Stamen is the part of flower. Stamen is a pollen-producing reproductive organ of a flower. Pistil, the ovule-producing part of a flower, is known as the pistil. What are the parts of stamen? Anther, a yellow color, the part of the stamen where pollen is produced. Filament, cream color, is a stalk that connects to the anther. Then the parts of a pistil. Style, it is a long slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. Stigma is a sticky platform at the top of the style where pollen is deposited. Ovary, the enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced. Thank you, dear students.